Hello guys, today we work with the page number 117. If I don't mistake, look, 117, okay? And we have these activities. Number one, we are going to watch the video and we have to put the letter M, A, or E in each square. M in the morning, A in the afternoon, and E in the evening. So let's watch the video.
Hooray! It's activity club today. Great! What activities do you do, Alexander? I climb and I run in the morning.
¿Ya escucharon? Okay, he said, I climb and I run in morning.
What do you do, Sarah? I don't climb and I don't run. I hop. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so she hop in the morning.
We play soccer in the afternoon.
We play soccer in the afternoon.
Oh! Then we play music. Hooray!
Oh, se cambió. A ver.
5, 6, 4.
Ahí está. Ok.
Stop! Then I paint.
Paint.
I don't paint. I draw. Look, it's Polly. Then we sing and we dance. Hoobity-bop-bop-bop-bop-a-doo-doo. And then we read. I like this book. Alexander, what do we do in the evening? We go home in the evening.
Okay,
Goodbye.
listen up. Dice, we go home in the evening. Ok, entonces ya tenemos las tres. Let's write it down and let's check it out. 1, 2, and 3. M-M-A-E. In the afternoon, in the evening, and the morning. So, let's go. Vamos con el siguiente ejercicio. Y ahora lo que tienen que hacer es escuchar. Listen up. ¿En dónde o con qué hacemos esto?
1. What do you do in the morning, Penny? I swim in the morning. 2. What do you do in the afternoon, Penny? My sister plays soccer in the afternoon, but I don't play soccer. 3. What do you do in the evening, Penny? I read books in the evening.
Okay, let's check it out. The answers 1, 2, and 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now, next. En la parte de abajo donde dice Penny reads her book. She swims. Perdón. She swims. Y le vamos a completar. She doesn't play soccer. Y completamos. ¿Con qué? Con estas palabritas que están aquí, estas oraciones. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. ¿Ok? Eso es lo que tenemos que hacer. Bien, entonces Esas son las actividades que hicimos el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye, bye.